Hi, I am Kavita. Today in this Kanitham Vasappadum program, we are going to see multiplication by shortcut method and using formula some aptitude questions. Here in this first question, we need to simplify it. So the given expression is in this form a square plus b square minus 2ab. Look at this given question. This question a into a. Here b into b minus 2ab. If suppose you let a as 287 and b as 269, it's in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. We know already the formula a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Is it? So you just replace a by 287 and b by 269. Now it's easy for us, just you subtract and square it. It is 324. The option is option D. Okay. The next one 112 plus 5 power 4, right? The 112 plus 5 power 4, now you just let it that 5 as 10 by 2. Okay. 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? So 10 by 2 the power 4. So 112 into 10 power 4 by 2 power 4, right? 10 power 4 means you have to put 4 zeros together with. Okay. So now the easy division gives you 7,000. So the option is B. 70,000. Sorry. Option is B. The next one. We need to find this product. 625 we can write it as 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 in the like this the previous problem 10 by 2 we can write it 10 by 2 the power 4. So just you put 4 zeros nearer to it and divided by 16 it gives you 58463812. Okay. So this is option B. Next question, the fourth one. Look at this question. The given question is in this form of a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. So it is in the form of 4ab. It's 4ab. Just simply we can write it. Oh, how the 4ab you can ask. Here a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here minus symbol is there. So a square plus b square minus 2ab you will get. So this minus can change every signs. So a square cancel, b square cancel, only 4ab remains. Okay. So divided by AB you can cancel means only we get 4. So the similar answer you will get for this. Okay. So the option is option D. Next last question. In this last question, this given question is in this form of a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square. So a cube plus b cube we can write like this, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by a square minus ab plus b square. So cancel the both of the thing, remains a plus b. So what is a plus b? What is a here? A is 768. What is b? 232. So just you add 768 plus 232. It's 1000. So our answer is option A. Okay. Then thank you. See you again in the next video. And then bye.